It's about to go down.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else like you do.
I'm getting ready to start my self-retie. And I just wanted to show you the things that I have. So usually when I do a self-retie, I wash my hair, then I do a hot oil treatment, and then I go in. Well, half these things I probably won't even use, but the elastics are to braid and band. A lot of bodies just if I decide to do a style. The oil is for my hot oil treatment. This is water and oil. Of course, you have your parting comb. Then you got your clips or a locking tool. I have these I just bought. I wanted to show you my setup. These are closet door mirrors that I used to have that I'm not even using anymore. So right now, they're gonna be my mirrors. I have two. So this one, I turn around this way, and then I use the other mirror to see the back. When I'm ready, I turn around this way, facing this way, and then I could see the other side. And that's pretty much how I retighten my hair. It needs a retighten. The last time I retightened my hair was July 28th. I usually wait about 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. Wow, that's a lot actually. And this is the back. So, this is a little awkward because I'm a little off camera, but usually I shave this down, but I don't have time. So as you can see, you can't see the parts at all. I usually leave it in the sections and just part it away. And I'm gonna deal with one section at a time.
I'm just gonna do the first row. So I'm just looking for the first row. I believe that's it. So now I'm going to take the brush and I'm just going to try to brush down. It's a process, man. It's a process. And now I'm going to try to clean up my parts. I just rip them. Or I'll take a scissors to it. Okay, once I'm satisfied, I'm going to clip this out of the way. Just like that. And then I'm going to separate because I just washed it, right? So make sure that it's separated.
I'm so tired. I don't know, guys. It's Friday night, Saturday morning. I think like 1 o'clock in the morning. This is how far I've gotten so far, as you can see. This is my natural hair, so you can see how soft it is, right? And that's where I'm at right now. It is Saturday morning. I just retightened. I didn't go through the lock like I wanted to, but just so you know, my sides are struggling They're smaller, they're thinner. This is Sisterlocks 2 years on thin hair. But you know what? It's improved a lot from where it was. Don't you just hate it when things do not go your way? I am not getting my hair done this weekend like I planned. It is a struggle. Now it's almost 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm like, I gotta try to get some done. I ended up going out last minute to celebrate my niece's birthday. I'm tired. I don't even know if I'm gonna have the energy to do some of my locks, right? I had to literally tie up my head. And I did such a whack job, but I was not gonna take out my little sections and my little parts. Not gonna do it. So, yeah. All right, I'm down to the last row for tonight, but I just wanted you guys to take in the new growth. This is 2 months worth of new growth, because what was I say, July 29th was my last retie. Once you can see through the roots, it's thin hair, but they're strong thin hairs. This is the lock I'm working with, and as you can see, all that is new growth. Okay, so this is a locking tool, and I'm gonna thread it through. Alright, and it has that little top piece here where you can actually lock your lock in and it doesn't fall. Alright, so I do 4-point rotation. As you can see, everything's sectioned out. I put my finger here sometimes so that you can see, because my hair is so thin, right? So I can see, because you want to go through the center. So I'm going to start from, let's call this on a clock. This is going to be 3 o'clock. So we're going to go through the middle, all the way up till it can't go no more. And then you're going to pull it through. So from 3 to 9, okay? Then, now, you're going to go from, what would you call this? From 6 to 12. So, and I'm going to pull it through. Okay? Now we're going to go from 9 to 3. Pull it through. And then we're going to go from 12 down back to 6. Am I getting it? Usually I'm looking in a mirror, but okay, that's one rotation. I went 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I'm going a second time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I could still get away with doing maybe one more rotation. Like I said, I'm doing about 3. This is how I'm looking right now. I brought some to the front, like I said, because I probably want bangs. The back so far. So there's this big chunk that I still have to go through. I'm tired, guys, so I think that's where I'm going to end it today. Because I've, like, crying. For no reason. I'm not even crying, but you get what I'm saying? I'm so tired that water's, like, just falling from my eyes. This ain't a joke, man. This ain't a joke. It is Monday, and I can finally say I am done. Done. I'm telling you, I took breaks and whatever, but I'm over it. Like, I'm over it. This is my hair retightened. It's still thin, obviously, at the very top where I'm retightening it. right? But the body itself is full. So it's a little over 2 years. This is after I cut my hair. There is some ends that are loose, a lot of ends that are loose. So I will be trying to figure out how to, you know, try to close them up. Listen, I want to take this time out to say I see new subscribers and I thank you guys for following my channel. I thank you guys for subscribing. I really, truly do appreciate it. I hope that I can deliver more content that you guys will like. If you like my videos, definitely comment, like, share, subscribe. Just keep it going, keep it growing.